Hello students, in this video we are going to study characteristic property for normal space. For regular space also we have discussed the characteristic property in previous video. So in this video we are going to study characteristic property for normal space. So what we have to prove, if x comma tau is a normal space, then there exists an open set G and closed set F. F is subset of G. There exists an closed set F. For that closed set, there exists an open set such that F is subset of G, and there exists an open set V such that F is subset of V, which is subset of V closure, which is subset of G. If x comma tau is normal, space, then F is subset of V. V is an open set. Subset of V closure and subset of G. G is again an open set. Also, for a closed set F, which is subset of an open set V, which is subset of V closure, which is subset of G, x comma tau should be normal. In regular space, we have considered an open set G and G closure, which is subset of another open set H. G star G. Here we are considering F as a closed set. It should be subset of V closure and subset of G. Just compare this derivation with that derivation. It will be easy for you to understand and to remember. Now, what is our data? X comma tau is a normal space. Our data is x comma tau is a normal space. Now, we have to prove it satisfies this condition. So, to prove this, I am considering an closed set F and I am having an open set G such that F is subset of G. If F is subset of G, F does not belongs to, or it is not a subset of G star, G dash. What is G dash? Complement of G. G is open set. G dash is open set. Closed set. G is an open set. G dash is closed set. F is subset of G means F is not subset of G dash. It means F does not. It means F and G are distinct from each other. See, I am considering an closed set F and I am considering an open set G such that F is subset of G. Since F belongs to G, F does not belong to its complement. Therefore, F is not subset of G dash. If G is open, G dash is closed set. Therefore, we are having two closed sets. F is one closed set, G dash is another closed set, and F and G dash are distinct closed set. Therefore, F intersection G dash is null set. From X is normal. Therefore, from normal definition, there exist two open sets U and V such that F is subset of U and G dash is subset of V, and U intersection V should be null set from the definition of our normal space. Since this is U. Since U intersection V is null set, this implies V is subset of U dash. Since U intersection V is null set, V is subset of U dash or U is subset of V dash. One and the same. So this implies U bar is subset of V dash bar. U is open, U dash is closed. V is open, V dash is closed. So in closed set, V dash and V dash closure are same, right? A is equal to A closure if A is closed, right? So using this definition, here we can write U closure is subset of V dash. Also, we are having G dash is subset of V, right? So, I'll write here G dash is subset of V. This implies if I take complement on both sides, V dash is subset of G. Here we are having U closure is subset of V dash. Now we are having V dash is subset of G. This implies U closure is subset of V dash. V dash should be subset of V dash closure from the definition of closed set, right? Since V dash is equal to V dash closure, V dash is subset of V dash closure, which is subset of G. Also, we have F is subset of U, right? F is subset of U. This implies F is subset of U. It is subset of U closure and it is subset of V. Before this, what is V dash? U dash is subset of V dash and F is subset of U. So, combining this, we will get F is subset of U. It is subset of, F is subset of U and it is subset of U bar. And U bar is subset of G. F is subset of U. F is subset of U. U is subset of V dash here and it contains U dash. So, F is subset of U closure, subset of G. Suppose if we take this U as V and U closure as V closure. See, U is some open set, U closure is some open set. Instead of V, we can take U. If U is equal to V, we get this result. So, conversely, we have to prove whenever we are having this condition, we have to prove x comma tau is normal. So, what is our data? F is an closed set, subset of V closure, subset of G. So, to prove normal case, we should have two closed set and it should be subset of two open set and intersection between those two sets should be null set. So, for each closed set F and open set G containing F, G is having F, right? F is subset of G. So, containing F, there exists an open set V such that F is subset of V closure, subset of G. This is our data. Now, I am considering two distinct closed set E and F in X. E intersection F is null set. Now, E intersection X is E intersection F is null set. This implies F is subset of E dash. There does not exist any common element between these two. If I take complement here, F is subset of E dash, or we can write E is subset of F dash, one and the same. Also, F is closed set, E is closed set. Therefore, E dash is open, F dash is open. Since E dash is open set containing F and F is a closed set, from our definition, there exists an open set V such that F is subset of V closure, subset of E dash. Here open set is G. Now our open set is F, sorry, E dash. Therefore, G is replaced with E dash from the definition. That's all. See, I repeat. F is our closed set. E dash is our open set. E dash is containing F. Therefore, there exists an open set V such that F is subset of V, subset of V closure, subset of E dash from our data. So, this implies V closure is subset of E dash. This implies when I take complement for this two, E is subset of V bar dash. And V is open. V closure dash is also open. Therefore, V is open. V bar dash is open set. These are open sets. V and V bar dash is open set. Therefore, E is subset of V bar whole complement. This we got already. E is subset of V bar dash. That's what I have written. E is subset of V bar dash. Also, we have taken F is subset of V. From our data, F is subset of V. This implies V intersection V bar dash is equal to null. Because E intersection F is null. E intersection F is null. There does not exist any common element between this. E is subset of this set. F is subset of this set. E and F is intersection of E and F is null set. Therefore, intersection of these two sets are null set. V is open. V bar dash is open. Therefore, for a closed set F and E, there exists an open set V and V bar dash whose intersection is null such that F is subset of V, E is subset of V bar closure. Therefore, x comma tau is normal. So, converse part we have proved here.